Bright Star Animations.
Pokémon ABCs, sing along with me. Learning letters, having fun with Pokémon you'll see. A is for Arcanine, so bold and brave. B is for Bulbasaur, in the grass it plays. C is for Charmander, its tail's a flame. D is for Dragonite, flying through the rain. E is for Eevee, evolving's its thing. F is for Frostlass, with icy wings. Pokémon ABCs, sing along with me. Learning letters, having fun with Pokémon you'll see. G is for Gengar, a ghosty prank. H is for Ho-Oh, flying high so grand. I is for Ivysaur, leaves on its back. J is for Jigglypuff, singing its track. K is for Cabatops, sharp as a blade. L is for Lucario, always on the raid. Pokémon ABCs, sing along with me. Learning letters, having fun with Pokémon you'll see. M is for Magikarp, splashing around. N is for Ninetales, elegance abounds. O is for Onyx, rocky and lone. P is for Pikachu, sparking this song. Q is for Quagsire, in water it thrives. R is for Raichu, electrifying life. Pokémon ABCs, sing along with me. Learning letters, having fun with Pokémon you'll see. S is for Snorlax, always asleep. T is for Togepi, cute as can be. U is for Ursaring, strong and tall. V is for Vaporeon, the best of them all. W is for Wobbuffet, bouncing so free. X is for Xerneas, full of mystery.